Hope you're well. I'm going to jump into a package that I set about a week ago. I boosted it with a little bit of brood. So let's just see how this package is doing. Hopefully I can see the queen. Might get her marked. It's a second, middle of April here, so it's starting to get a little bit of a flow. Hey, hopefully we'll see some good things in here. Stay with me. Okay, well here's this box with a package I set last week, and then I added just a little bit of brood to it and a little bit of honey as well, some honey frames. So I'm trying to turn it into more of a nuke from the start so I could jump start these girls. All right, let's see what we got here. Looks like good bee numbers all the way across. And I put another deep that I'm using as a super, just set it on top of here in case the flow started good. They'd have a place to put things, but I know they'll start stacking this one as well. All right, let me just look through here. Not a lot going here. A little bit of honey that I gave them. They're using a little bit of it, which is perfectly fine. So, all right, I'm gonna set this frame to the side here. It'll be fine this early in the year. Should have a couple of empty frames. All right. And one of the things that I like to do when I have it, oh, there's nectar all in there. Starting to stack some nectar, that's good. All right, they're drawing this out a little bit more nectar. Let's see what we got here. Like I said, I moved some brood. This is some brood I moved it over last time, so drones, tons of brood that's about to hatch. This will be just right for these, jump start these bees. Okay, here's the queen right here. Right there, walking around, looking for a place to lay. There's got a lot of honey down on the, there she is, beautiful. All right, she's doing a good job. I'm not gonna mess with her, but there's a lot of pretty nectar going in. I'm just gonna set this right back down in place. Well, that's looking good. Boy, this thing will absolutely explode here in the next week. Number of bees will increase greatly. Boy, they're swelling this out. Look at this beautiful nectar, fresh, flows on right here, starting to cap it, swelling this frame out. How pretty is that? And literally I just set this package last week, boosted it with a little bit of brood, put full frames in here that were already built out for the most part. Oh, look at this beautiful nectar. Nectar all the way across. Gorgeous. All right, beautiful. And building it out, getting ready for some honey in this box, and then they'll bring it up top. All right, I'm gonna put this back in here. I'm actually gonna take this frame. It's got plenty of space, honey room. Slide it right down in the outside here. And that is a good looking little box right there. Squeeze these back together in the corners, and I'll button them back up and we should be good to go. Okay, got my queen excluder back on there, and I'm just going to take this whole box, although it feels kind of heavy already. I'm not going to even check in it right now. It's mostly empty, so they should start filling this up, bringing that nectar up. Boy, if I can get a package in a week to start exploding with a little bit of brood, basically turn it into a nuke, and then have them start bringing in nectar, that will be a bonus. Okay, well these girls are doing great. Man, I just set them a week ago. It was a package. Queen's doing great, found her. I stocked it with some other brood from surrounding hives, so this thing will jump start, and then the next few weeks really go after that nectar. Hopefully we'll get a flow. Looks like the flow's starting right now, so hopefully it keeps up, get privet, and maybe some tulip poplar and some other things that should start hitting pretty soon. Okay, if you like, subscribe. God bless.